Hi. May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
My name is Kaushik, and this is
Rati. We stay in JP Nagar, 5th phase.
How old is your child?
2.5 years.
What kind of classes and activities were you looking for her?
Basically to keep her involved, some games where she's able to get involved with other children, at the same time learn something. So that's what we are basically looking at.
And also, before we put her into the preschool, we figured out she's extremely interested in music and dance. So we are also looking for a preschool which not only just focuses on teaching kids, also encourages extracurricular activities, especially music, dance, singing, those kind of activities also very important for us.
And which of the preschools did you consider?
In and around this locality, we have, I think, almost all the brands. I think we had Little Ellie, then
we went to Newer Kids.
And also Eurokids in JP Nagar second phase, I think.
We considered all of that.
We considered
I Play, I Learn.
Correct.
Which is very close to our house.
It is next to my house, and I think out of all Kids Home at that point, we didn't actually consider it. So, but I think that was the biggest mistake because we should have considered Kids Home in the first place. Dia's friend, another person, that baby was actually going to Kids Home, and we heard about it from them. And we decided to come here and take a look. I think that me and my friend came over here to check out the school, and I really was very impressed with it. I think as the name suggests, Kids Home, I think it's a home away from home for the kids. It's not like, we don't feel like we are sending Dia to a school or something. I think she's going to another home where she spends quality time.
And why did you finally choose Kids Home?
One, because it is a very comforting environment. It's like she's not away from home. She's in a place which is very, very similar to our place. And then we had teachers who are very caring. Nobody is very formal here, so I can be comfortable to leave my daughter here, and I know she'll be safe and happy and have a nice initial schooling. I think a lot of credit should go to Poonam and Bindu teacher. I think they really create the kind of atmosphere which is really important for the kids. And to a point where first day when we came and left Dia in the school, we expected her to cry a lot. But I don't think she cried. She immediately went to Bindu teacher, and I think she is one of the favorites for the Bindu teacher. So even when we come to pick her up from the school, she doesn't come that easily. We have to actually pull her out of the school to take her home. So I think we are very happy here, and we just took a trial last year, I think in December, to see how it works. We were very happy and we wanted to continue here.
Okay. And as your child is here for quite some time, tell us two best things about Kids Home, JP Nagar.
One is that the child is basically very comfortable here. Two is that the teachers here are very receptive. So in the sense, if I have any problem with my child or if I need to discuss anything, I can, and I know it will be handled here. There have been certain difficult situations that I've handled at home when I'm with her. So I've been very open to talk about that to Bindu ma'am and to Poonam, and I know there is some result out of it. So I see a lot of behavioral changes in my child. She's more happy, she's able to interact better, and she basically loves school. From a person who was initially, for probably a couple of days she was not very happy, but then now she gets ready faster than anybody else and says, I want to go to school. Yeah, for a 2-year-old, getting ready in the morning and looking forward to go to school, I think that is the best testimony to how good the school is. Plus, she did the summer camp here as well. So the summer camp also she thoroughly enjoyed. They had a field trip, they had dance, singing. So she really loved it a lot. So.
Anything that could be better?
I would only say probably a little more space outside for kids to. The play area could be slightly bigger. Because inside they have enough facilities, just that the play area could be slightly better. Yeah, I think they have done some improvements. They have put the artificial grass. They have kept the slide and everything. But I think the space could expand a little bit. That's what we feel.
And on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Kids Home JP Nagar to other parents?
I would say 4.5.
Even I would say 4.5.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.